AI search is replacing Google as the starting point for professional research in a growing number of business workflows. Tools like Perplexity AI, ChatGPT with web browsing, and Microsoft Copilot have shifted how knowledge workers find information. Instead of clicking through multiple search results, these platforms deliver synthesized answers with citations. For businesses, this creates two parallel challenges. Teams need to understand how to use AI search tools effectively, and organizations that depend on organic traffic must adapt their content strategy for a world where AI tools summarize information rather than send users to websites. In this video, we will explain how AI search differs from traditional search, what the transition means for business teams, and how to build a search strategy that works across both environments. Many businesses are watching AI search adoption accelerate without understanding what it means for their operations. Some organizations see AI search as a threat to their organic traffic. Others view it as just another technology trend that will fade. Both perspectives miss the practical reality. AI search tools are not eliminating Google. They are capturing specific types of queries where users want direct answers rather than a list of links. Research-heavy workflows, competitive intelligence, regulatory questions, and technical documentation lookups are moving to AI search platforms because the experience is faster. But most businesses have not adjusted their internal research processes or their content visibility strategies to account for this shift. Teams continue using traditional search out of habit. Content teams continue optimizing only for Google ranking without considering how AI tools cite and summarize information. This gap creates two risks. Internally, teams miss productivity gains from better research tools. Externally, content becomes less visible as AI tools become the default answer source for professional queries. The real shift is not that AI search is replacing Google entirely. The real shift is that search now operates across multiple platforms, and different tools win different query types. Traditional search still dominates transactional queries, local searches, and branded queries where users have a specific destination in mind. AI search is gaining share in informational and research-oriented queries where users want synthesized answers. This means businesses need visibility in both ecosystems. The challenge is that the two channels require different optimization strategies. Traditional search rewards domain authority, backlinks, and on-page SEO. AI search rewards content structured to answer specific questions directly, with clear headers, verifiable data, and topical authority. Organizations that recognize this distinction can build strategies that maintain visibility across both channels, rather than losing ground in one while focusing only on the other. A practical approach to navigating the AI search transition involves three parallel tracks. The first track is internal AI search adoption. Identify the research and information gathering workflows inside your organization that benefit most from AI search tools. This might include competitive analysis, industry research, regulatory questions, or technical documentation lookup. Select the right AI search tool for each workflow. Perplexity Pro works well for external business research. Microsoft Copilot integrates effectively with organizational documents. Train teams on effective prompt engineering and establish verification standards so AI-generated information is validated before it enters client deliverables. The second track is content visibility for AI search. This requires structuring existing content to answer specific questions directly. Use clear headers and direct answer formatting that AI tools can cite accurately. Build topical authority through comprehensive coverage of your primary subject areas. Ensure your content is indexed by the platforms AI search tools draw from. The third track is traditional search maintenance. Continue optimizing for organic search ranking. Traditional search still drives the majority of informational traffic for most industries, and will for the foreseeable future. Abandoning SEO to focus only on AI search creates unnecessary risk. Consider a marketing agency that produces weekly industry insights for clients. Without AI search tools, the research process involves opening multiple browser tabs, reading through articles, and manually synthesizing insights. This process can take several hours per report. With AI search integrated into the workflow, the team uses Perplexity Pro to generate initial research summaries with citations. The tool pulls current information from multiple sources and organizes it into a structured answer. The team reviews the output, validates the sources, and refines the analysis before adding it to the client report. The research phase becomes faster and more structured. The team still applies judgment and expertise, but the manual information gathering step is streamlined. At the same time, the agency updates its own content strategy. Blog posts are restructured to answer specific client questions directly at the top of each section. Headers are rewritten to match the questions clients actually ask. Data points include clear attribution. Internal linking connects related topics to build topical authority. 6 months later, the agency notices two outcomes. Internally, research tasks take less time and produce more consistent results. Externally, the agency's content is being cited by Perplexity and ChatGPT search when users ask questions related to the agency's expertise. The dual strategy maintains visibility while improving internal productivity. AI search tools are not eliminating Google, but they are changing how professional research happens and how content visibility works. Businesses that adapt early to this shift build advantages in two areas. Internally, teams work faster by using the right AI search tool for the right task. Externally, content remains visible as AI tools become the default answer source for research-oriented queries. The organizations that struggle are those that ignore the transition entirely or overreact by abandoning traditional search optimization. A practical approach involves 3 parallel efforts. Adopt AI search tools for internal research workflows. Update content for AI citation visibility. Maintain traditional SEO practices. If your organization depends on search visibility or research-intensive workflows, now is the time to build a strategy that works across both traditional and AI search environments. Follow AI Smart Ventures for practical insights on AI strategy, implementation, and business adoption.